Okay, guys, so the reason why I'm sharing this video is not, I know that you are not interested to watch a video of 44 rupee profit that because that's so small. The reason why I'm like to share this video is because of only I feels my trading setup or the vision or the reasons or my mindset why I'm trading this trade, taking a trade is good, more than good. So that's why I'm sharing this video. So what I want you guys to take from this video is uh, watch or understand how and analyzing the shares, or if you like, or if you take it, if you feels like that it is good, or if it is a helpful, please supporting, keep supporting, share it to your friends, help them to help them to how to analyze the chart, how to take a trade properly. It's all about analysis. Okay, you can see in this trade itself in torrent power I book a target of 1.7 percentage. That's in intraday, that's a huge target. And also the risk reward ratio is 1 is to 3. That's a good risk reward ratio. I know because I have taken many of the courses or trading courses, and I've seen they all are using 1:1 ratio risk reward ratio. You can see today I take 5 trades. In that three trades hit loss. Even though only 2 trades I got in profit, even though I book in profit today. The reason why is because of the 1:3 risk reward ratio. Uh, so keep the support in the channel, and keep just watching and understanding the how I analyze the charts, analyze the how I take the trades, all those stuff. Don't focus on the figures. Currently, don't focus. After 1 year, you will see this amount as a big. I'm assuring you. So keep supporting, keep watching. So welcome back, traders. So this was the trade for 10th November 2021, Wednesday. Today it was so dramatic day, many losses, total 5 trades, in that 3 losses and 2 profits, and finally we are in a green. At the end of the day, it's in a green. So let's discuss the first trade in granules. Actually today, most of the trades in loss, actually after hitting the SL stop loss, it goes to the profit. So I think my vision for the trade was in success, but in figures it was in loss. So let's discuss about granules first. Yeah, there you go. So same strategy, same setup. The granules in the 1 hour time frame, it was taking a resistance from here, second resistance, and that was the third resistance area right here. So in the morning it got breaked resistance. It have tested here multiple times, as you can see. Tested, goes back, again come, tested, goes comes down, again comes from, but in 10th November it comes as a good momentum. Here you can see it is having a good momentum, so I expected it to come back as a pullback. Then we will get any of the confirmation of traders are interested in this share. So we can see a bullish engulfing candle, but eventually it goes to stop loss, hit the stop loss and goes down. No problem. We had to accept that loss because market is the supreme, not us. We are just predicting. If it goes wrong, we had to accept it. All the time we cannot be right. So let's go to the next share. It is India Bull HSNG Finance. In that we book a profit. Okay, that's simple setup, same setup. In the 4 hour time frame, we can see a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and that's coming to the again today. uh, India Bullet housing is coming to its resistance line for 4 hours. So I watch for a shorting opportunity, and as you can see, after giving a bullish engulfing confirmation, it just reverses, and there we go with our 1:3 risk reward ratio, and we book a 3.5. The capital I used is 600. As you know, I am a beginner, totally beginner, so the capital amount will be so less. After getting enough knowledge, the capital I will consider for increasing the capital. This video is only for showing my strategy setup, my vision, or my viewpoint on the trading, the trade I took, and the strategy, to explain the strategy. Okay, let's go to the next share. That is Marico. There you go. Marico is in figures you can see Marico is in loss. Okay, negative. It's in negative. Loss, I think it's near to 1.7% to 2% loss in this trade, Marico. But actually, after that, it gives the it goes down. Okay. Okay, I will show you. Okay. So the idea behind the trade on Marico is, you can see Marico is in a downtrend. The 1 hour time frame is creating lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. So it's having a resistance point here. Also, it was for a few days it was in a uptrend. So it was creating a lower high. After that, it breaks its current, its temporary uptrend, and it breaks here. So I look for a buy selling pressure, and I can see a bearish engulfing candle right at 9:40 at 5-minute time frame. That's why I shorted here, short below this candle, keep my stop loss here, and place my target at 1:3. But what happens is, it just hit my SL. After a few minutes, it goes to the target. So what's the mistake I done here is, I didn't wait for the retracement. Usually after a good momentum like this, a huge candle or good fall like this, the share will automatically or eventually it will come for a pullback, then only it will fall. So that's the mistake happened in this trade. But waited. After, you can see again a bearish engulfing candle here, we can consider for a re-entry at here, bearish engulfing candle. So yeah, I sell above that, and your 1:3 target right at here, it got hit. You can see 1:3 here, that was a target hit. So that was mistake in Marico. Next was McDonald's, a profit of 45 is near to 7.7% return on 7.7% return on McDonald's. So McDonald's, okay, there we go. Yeah, 1 hour time frame, same analysis, same setup. You can see Marico was in a uptrend, having testing this support line, trend line multiple times, tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is testing the 7th time this support line. And the morning when I check McDonald's, I see it got a break over here, so waited, and after I am getting a bearish engulfing candle right here I took a trade below when it's below broke, bottom broke, SL above it, and I placed my target at 1 is to 3. And there we go. Marigo falls unbelievable. It gives more than 1 is to 3. Actually, yeah, 1 is to 8. That's insane return. But according to our strategy, we have to exit at 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. It's fine. Even though it is a good risk reward ratio, 1 is to 3. Okay, that's the setup in McDowell's in the 1 hour time frame. You can see there is uptrend. Uptrend got break. When uptrend got break, I have waited for a pullback. In the pullback, I got a reversal entry of bearish engulfing candle. When the low of the bearish engulfing candle got break, take entry. Stop loss is high of that swing, and the target is at 1 is to 3. And the next is torrent power. That was same as Marico. After hitting the SL, it go to the target. Torrent power. Yeah. Okay. The torrent power in the 1 hour time frame. We can see it is in a currently it is in a uptrend, having a support trend line here 1 2 3. So it have taken 2 times this point as support. Also I draw a trend line here, so when the third time it comes, definitely have to reject from that zone. So I didn't take blindly trades when it price reaches this point. I just waited, and after seeing this rejection candle, I have again waited. I have seen a bullish engulfing candle right at here. You can see bullish engulfing candle. Keep my stop loss right below this candle, and it just hit my SL. You see, right it hit my SL and it reverses. You can see. Yeah, 1 is to 3. Let's check 1 is to 3. Let's touch. Oh yeah, it is achieved. You can see it achieved at 1430. It hit the SL, then goes to the target. No problem. Not a problem. We had to accept it. We had to consider about raising this stop loss maybe 10 or 20 points below the bullish engulfing candle. We will consider it. If we have to reconstruct our strategy, we have to do it, back testing it. So that was the trades for today. In the in 5 trades, 3 trades hit losses, but because of the 1 is to 3 risk reward ratio, I managed to close my today's trade at green. Otherwise it will be in a loss. If even though it is in a 1 is to 1 risk reward ratio trades, if I took, it will be in a loss. That's the green here comes because of the risk reward ratio of 1 is to 3. You can see one loss, second loss, third loss. That means the majority of the trade is in loss. More than half is in the loss. So even though managed to book my profit. Yeah, that's for the Wednesday. Hope good will happen in the expiry day. Waiting for tomorrow. Okay guys, have a nice day.